Hey guys, it's Crypto Jetta. So I have some quick MMF news for you. So about 3 hours ago, they had a front-end breach. They asked everybody to not swap or withdraw or deposit, and they also asked you to revoke access to that contract for the time being. So they just recently updated everybody on some post-mortem resolution compensation news. So basically they said the site was subject of a DNS attack earlier where the attacker managed to inject a malicious contract address into the front-end code. Attacker used a vulnerability to modify the router contract address in our hosted files. So basically they said resolving this issue takes precedence above all. We understand that some of you have lost some funds, are filled with worries and panic. That being said, the best thing they can do is to drop their emotion as much as possible and work together through this hurdle. So they said this resulted in users who interacted with the site starting from the 4th of May, 7:28 UTC to lose funds upon performing the following actions: swap, add liquidity, and remove liquidity. They said when victims navigated to remove liquidity, the malicious router kicked in and the LPs were withdrawn to the attacker's address. So when we go to the attacker's address right here, you can see that he went on a money spree here. As you can see, he was doing things like every minute, just about almost. And then if we go to thebank.com, right? If we search this address, in fact, I'm already on this page. So if I hit refresh, you can see where this dude was just going crazy with funds. This dude took out thousands upon thousands of dollars. But anyway, let's go back to the news here. Alright, so they said the resolution here is our team currently consists of cybersecurity expertise whom are monitoring the sites around the clock. This is why we have an immediate response to inform our beloved community members about this hijack attempt and resolve this attack. Blah blah. Going forward, they're going to bring in other security firms to look at DNS configurations to prevent attacks of similar nature. Blah blah. So they're saying in bold that, in other words, apart from the price action that came from the selling of our tokens from the malicious wallet, there should not be any other consequential impact on our ecosystem coins. Most importantly, all smart contracts are safe and the funds of all users are safe-oo. This means that all MMF ecosystem tokens are not affected. You do not need to panic with regards to the tokens. So they're saying when performing a swap, make sure you do the following. Perform a hard refresh on the website, Control-Shift-R, or if you're on the Mac, Command-Shift-R. It said make sure that when you are performing swaps, you see a confirmation dialog that shows our router address as shown in the image above, and has I guess that's the router address right here. For extra safety, add our router contract to your address book so that you will be certain that this is indeed the correct router. So for the compensation, they're saying our team is sorry that this has happened. We will do our best to make sure that funds are restored to those who lost it. On our end, we will set up a compensation pool for those who are affected. For those funds was unfortunately stolen by the attack, the team will be executing this compensation plan. Our team will forsake our dev shares of trading fees and purchase MUSD with all the trading fees. We will then place all MUSD in a compensation pool to allow users to claim. A snapshot will be done shortly, and the amount in USD which you have lost will be tabulated so you can be fairly compensated. Your wallet addresses will be added into the compensation pool. This compensation pool will run for 45 days. So in conclusion, they said we will take this attack vector seriously, ensuring to do our best moving forward to eradicate such you know, vectors. We hope that this compensation package is a welcome one, as this package does not inflate circulating supplies of ecosystem tokens, but that it will increase adoption of the MUSD token. In turn, these MUSD can potentially find their way back into the different ecosystem tokens. So, if you did lose funds in this attack, I'm sorry that you lost the funds, but like I said, I will be posting this link in the description if you want to read this yourself. At least they are being fair with a compensation plan. We don't know what that compensation plan is just yet, but once that compensation plan is made available, more available, I will definitely notify you guys. And I know on my website, I've been actually I made previous strategies in the past on MMF. I almost came close to just taking off all my videos and taking off these links on my website, but I'm gonna give them the benefit of the doubt on this, because nobody doesn't like to have their funds stolen, especially their hard-earned funds. Because some people made investments where it's their last few dollars, you know, and things like that. It's not cool when other people lose their funds on their hard-earned money due to some hacker, you know. But if we go here to the comments, somebody say, I like all my money back, not just a portion of it. Does anybody know how much was stolen? They wrote you will get 100% of the lost funds. Don't worry. So like I said, it's good that, you know, they're doing their best to compensate everybody. I like that. They handle that very, very well. So yeah, so anyway, I just wanted to make this short video for you guys, just to because I know this attack, I know a lot of people on Twitter was made aware of this attack, and like I said, if you lost money, I'm sorry it happened to you, but just know that you will be compensated for this this hack. But anyway, let me go ahead and go, guys, and I'll see you next time.